flying to India tonight and there's a lot of luggage to pack. I don't know how I'm gonna start, but you see this whole stack of clothes, and there's one bag that I have, and there are clothes over there also, and I have a lot of luggage that I've bought, including so many things in this, and some luggage over there, shoes. Man, I have no clue. I really have no clue how it's gonna work out for me, because I have only two bags and there's almost like 30-35 kgs of luggage. Let's see how it's gonna wrap up. I'm sorting all of my clothes in this way so that I can easily put those things into this. But no clue if all of these gonna fit into this. I think I've sorted all of this, so quickly gonna put that into this suitcase. Done with the check-in, now into the immigration. So as usual, it's a self-immigration. So we do have a mission here wherein you need to enter the details and you will be immigrated. Excuse me. That one call, bro.
What?
One call, bro, please.
Called the roll?
Yes. Alas. So what do you have in iced coffee?
Iced Americano.
Sorry?
Iced Americano.
Iced Americano. Yeah, okay. One iced Americano, please.
Size?
I'll have tall. Yeah.
Cash?
Or maybe make it grand. If you want to know about the 14 Pro Max prices, so these are the prices. You can convert by multiplying with 22. So there was a funny thing happened. I was at the immigration, and the lady at the immigration, who is a Saudi, thought that I'm Arab or I'm Saudi. So she started talking Arabic, but she was not knowing that I'm Indian. Then looking at the passport, she asked me whether I'm an Indian. I don't know why she thought that I'm a Saudi, but I don't know. Do I look like a Saudi? No clue. The time for boarding. I think it's gonna take 5 hours to reach Hyderabad. Time is around 1 o'clock, but with the time difference, I would reach or I would land around 7:30 or 7:45 in the morning. So finally done with the immigration. Landed in Hyderabad, by the way. So I have a little bit of work to finish off in Hyderabad. So that's why I've come to Hyderabad. A couple of days in Hyderabad. Quickly gonna finish the work and go back to my car. So the first thing that I will be doing here is to have a very, very good breakfast. It's been like 6 months since I've had really good South Indian breakfast. I'm gonna do that first. Talk with Hyderabad. I think it was 2016 when I've come to Hyderabad last time. So it's been 6 years plus, 6 odd years for Hyderabad, and a lot of things have changed in Hyderabad, and that's obviously that does happen. And I'll be here for a couple of days, and a lot of people to meet, a lot of friends. Many of them are like really old friends whom I wanted to meet from a very long time, but I couldn't for various reasons. But for the fact that now I'm here in Hyderabad for 3 days, like today, tomorrow, and day after, and day after noon evening is my flight back to Tirupati again. And in Tirupati, I'm going to stay for again couple more days, and from there I have to rush to Bangalore. Couple more days in Bangalore, and then I have to rush to Jaipur because Sheetal's wedding is happening this month, 12th. So I booked the auto and he's almost there. Now I'm going out to meet my friend Dolly. She's from Tirupati, but she's staying in Hyderabad. So we're going to a fancy cafe called Aramoli Cafe. Yeah, it's Aramoli Cafe, which is in Jubilee Hills. I don't know where exactly is it, but I'm going to show you. It's an interesting cafe. I've just seen the photos and it looks really, really good. Interesting. I think this was a villa which was renovated into a cafe. Nice place to sit and over there, over there, and they have really good coffee which I had. So we sell kiya na? These are for sale kiya? Sales kiya na? Okay. When handmade, huh? Okay. Why do you like this cafe? Why do you like this cafe?
Ambience.
Ambience and what else? Taste of what?
Cappuccino, obviously.
Essential traditions. I don't know what they have, but maybe some kind of puja items. But really good, man. The cafe is really, really amazing. I really liked it. I like the whole vibe of the cafe. So Dolly is a designer, so she's a fashion designer. The girl whom I met now. Anyways, Sheetal's wedding is coming, so I'm gonna buy a kurta for the wedding. Now she's helping me to find the right cloth. I wanted a pretty good quality silk, which is of royal blue color or pale pastel colors. She said that there is some place which she knows.
Catalog.
One is ఇది అసెంబుల్ చేయాలి ఇది బెటర్ ఉంటుంది ఇదే బెటర్ సో ఇది రెప్లికేట్ చేయాలి ఒక లోకల్ అంట Come to this restaurant called Pakka Local Exports. I don't know. It's in Banjara Hills, road number 7. The ambience is pretty good. As you can see, this is something that's made out of bamboo. And this Pakka Local and పేరు పెట్టాడు. షారుఖ్ ఖాన్ పాటలు వేస్తున్నాడు ఏంటి లోపలంతా ఆంటీలు కితి పార్టీ పెట్టారు
ఏదో టాక్నిక్
ఏవో కబాబేనా
బొక్కలా ఉంది
నిజంగా నా నోట్లేదు తెలుసా బొక్కలాగా ఉంది
అస్సలు
బిర్యానీ పేరుతో ఏదో పెట్టాడు
బిర్యానీ ఆవకాయ అన్నం ఇచ్చి దాని మీద ఒక ఫ్రై చేసినాడు ముక్కలు వేసి ఇచ్చినాడు పక్కలా ఇచ్చినాడు
నేను లోకల్ కాదు ఐఎమ్ నాట్ లోకల్
రివ్యూ అది కూడా నా నుంచా
ఎస్
బతుకు మొత్తానికి ఒకటి నీళ్లు బాగుంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఇది పర్లేదు బాగానే ఉంది అది కూడా గుల్కన్ అండి మొత్తం అందుకు బాగుంది మీరు చేసింది కదా అందుకు బాగుంది